guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kang, and today I will share for you the perfect technique of lateral raise exercise based on physics. And before we go to that perfect technique, I will show you the basic anatomy of the deltoid. So the deltoid is the root of a muscle which contains three parts of muscle. The first one, that is the front delt, is right here, and the middle one is called lateral, and the final one is called the rear delt, is right here, and they are attachment by the clavicle, okay, a culminant, and the scapula, and the attachment finished by the outer head of the humerus. So we have done about the attachment of the muscle. So I will erase it to empty the table. Pause a minute. So the main function, the principal function of the shoulder of the deltoid is raising the arm to two sides, or we call the abduction movement. Okay, that's the main function of the shoulder, to raise the hand to the two sides. And for better imagine, okay, I will draw here for you one pulley that you normally use in the gym. That is the fixed pulley. I will add some weight here, right? And normally you put the cable here at the bottom of the pulley, and this is you, like that. Okay. So normally you will put the position of the cable here, and what you do, the abduction movement response, right? So let me explain. Let me analyze the movement. So at this movement, there will be two main force. So the first force, so the first one, that is the force tension force. That's the force when you use the power of your deltoid of your shoulder to raise the cable. Force, tension force, and the second one, that is the force who against the shoulders, who is opposite, who has the opposite direction with the shoulders. That is the force from the cable, and it's called force reaction force. And at this time, the force reaction force will be equal with the force gravity. Force gravity will be equal with the force reaction force. Why? Why I say that? That's because with the fixed pulley, uh, the weight of the cable, the weight will be equal to the force reaction force. And at this position, you will think the mechanic pressure will be maximum on your shoulders, right? On your deltoids, right? Because you see the direction of the two forces is opposite. It's opposite. Yes, on the theory, yes, but I will show for you the better one. So it's the same. We have the fixed pulley. Sorry, and there's you right here. And now your mission is you will place the level of the cable, whether that is horizontally, with your hand. And at this point, at this position, this will create the right angle. This will create the right angle, the angle of 90 degree with the pulley. The path of the cable create the right angle with the pulley. And at this point, based on the equation sin square plus cos square equal 1. And at this point, the mechanic pressure will be the maximum on your shoulders. Let me explain. When you do like that, when you raise your hand, okay, so we have the force, tension force here, and the force reaction force, it will be the opposite. So at this point, the mechanic on your the mechanic pressure on your shoulder. It will be like that, right? The right direction will be, sorry, yeah, the direction will be like that, right? And it stretch your shoulders at this point because we have the maximum force based on the sin square plus cos square equal 1. So when you raise, and so the path of the movement, it will be like that. So when you raise, it will be like that. You raise, yeah, right? It's like when you do a compass, right? And the center of the compass, that's in your shoulder. It will be, there's a point here, your shoulders. It will be the compass to make a circle. And that is the torque, but that is the momentum. At this point, when you do like that, the pressure, the mechanic pressure, will be maximized on your shoulders. And now we will compare the efficiency between the two cable position. At the first one, when the cable level at the bottom, so it haven't stretched, you know, because the direction of the force is like that. It's about the ground, right? As you can see, it's about the ground. And we move to the second one. The direction of the force, reaction force, is about here. And it's made an angle of 90 degree of the right angle with the path of the cable, right? So at this point, we will have the greatest mechanic pressure on the shoulder, thanks to the equation sin square plus cos square equal 1. And so in the next time when you do the lateral raise to improve your shoulder size, you will raise the level of the cable same with your hand, and you will see the difference. You will see the efficiency significantly on that. Okay, so that's all I want to share for you today. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for my channel. And if you appreciate, if you learn something from what I share, what I talk to you, you can donate for me through the link patient. I put it on my profile. And now, see you and have a nice one. Cheers.